What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're actually gonna go back to Ryan's house, meet up with him and homie Luis, so we can pick up his car, and I can show you guys what was done in the trunk. If you're following us on social media, you probably already know, but we're gonna go ahead and pick that up. And I know it's a little bit late of start to the day, but this will work out perfect for what was done. If you catch my drift, you stay tuned, you'll see what I'm talking about. But also, don't forget, merch link is in the description below as always. You can get yourself a bunch of shirts, masks, whatever. We can also do some custom stuff as well, so definitely hit us up. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, just had to make a quick stop at the post office, drop some orders off, but looking good. Usually at night I'll just keep it on, even if I'm running in like in a store or something. I'll leave it on until I get back home, since it's LED, it doesn't take much power. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. Oh, also, wait till we get to Ryan's and let me know what you think of what was done to Luis's car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so just showing up at Ryan's. Got all the lights on at the house, so we kind of fit in here. We're gonna wait till Luis gets here, him and his wife, so they can see it. I want to turn it on just before they get here. They should be here in a couple minutes, but can't wait. Yeah.
My remote works your kit, so I'm gonna change the colors on it. But your remote is in the it needs a battery, so we got some batteries.
Yeah, I just brought them from mine when I bought mine.
Thanks.
No problem. All right.
I did a quick little clean up.
Mr. Mustang over there.
Thanks, bro.
Sounds good. Rides on start is always cool. All right. Now that's sick. Right.
That looks sick at night.
You can slow down the twinkle, speed it up.
He got the remote.
But I know you. I was like, yeah, he gonna want to see that orange.
Gotta bring the orange in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it does everything.
Actually, I think the purple is gonna look cool too.
That purple is sick.
That purple's gonna look sick. The color in here already?
Yeah, kind of match the box closer.
Yeah. Wait till they see what's up next month.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be. They ain't ready for that.
They ain't ready for that. Well, I gotta turn on the Underglow too right now.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to move the box, but I couldn't because I saw how everything was wired.
Yeah.
And like how he got it,
There we go.
wired, I wasn't gonna be able to move it, so I
What's
had
up?
to work around it. What's up, bro? When you gonna let me drive the Mustang? He won't let me drive it.
Go ahead, man. We got a monster over there. What's up? Thank you.
Oh.
How you turn it on? Do anything else to it? Me?
Oh, let me give him the sticker for his homie before I forget. Alright, well, he's about to head out. But looks pretty good. Loving it. He got the stickers on too. Custom Empire, Fitted Squad. Definitely represent. But yeah, car is looking amazing as always. We might check out a meet here pretty soon. I think he's heading home though. Let me know what you guys think.
I'm gonna take some video.
Nice. That's pretty cool. And that's from the mirror.
What is it?
I said, and that's from the mirror too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Here.
Nice.
Like it's on your beds.
Yeah. The gauge colors. Right.
If it's more green, but after a while, I get it get boring.
Right, you want to switch it up a little bit. Okay, I got you.
That's the one thing I love about the car is the lights.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, especially that it's factory. And then you got it in the cup holders too.
Oh yeah. The cup holders, the door handle.
Yeah. That's pretty dope. And it sounds amazing. Yeah. Nice.
But I want the.
All right, lined up.
If you ever decide to go big brake and change them them calipers, then you'll have to bleed them.
Nice. Okay.
You'll need some fluid then.
That'll make sense. All right, we figure we switch it up. Everybody get a different color. Got green. It looks good. Now I'm about to have Franz with us too. He probably gonna choose pink.
Well, ain't nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, that match the stickers. Pink or red.
Bruh.
Clean.
Yeah, I like the fact that that lights.
Like he out.
All right, so yeah, let me know which ones. Well, I mean, I already pretty much know, but yeah, let me know which one's your favorite. Which color themes you liking as well, and what you think of his setup for his trunk. I'm looking for some audio setups for Cyber Monday. Hopefully I can find something. I already got my rotors on the way. They're the ones that will fit for the big brick kit. I'm not going to do that right away. Probably going to just, because I still got to get them refurbished and get the rears as well. So still in the works. But up next is, after the rotors, is going to be audio. Not going to do anything crazy. Maybe just 112, 115, something like that. I just want some nice bass. I ain't trying to go super competition or nothing like that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this one. Probably holler at y'all once I get in the car and everything, and just hang out with the homies for right now. Alright, so yeah, definitely like to thank you all for tuning in with rock with me. I definitely want to get that twinkle function, because I mean, yeah, this is dope and all, but when you see that twinkle, it's like, yeah, how can you not want that? Like, so I'm probably gonna be getting another kit where it has the twinkle function, and I may save the rest of the strands to do something for the trunk when I'm ready to do that. But yeah, that's probably gonna be coming soon. I don't know, I might wait till I get the trunk set up to really pull the trigger on that one. That way I could do everything at once. But hopefully I find a good kit for the LED for the audio. Should be something good happening for Cyber Monday, but if you guys know of any good deals, definitely let me know. But I've also seen a kit for, or a custom box for that fits the car directly, so I'm probably gonna be going that route because I don't want too much space taken up in the trunk. But yeah, also, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, really. Like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.